Hi, peoples.
Hello, bums.
Everyone's Kitty Girl 2 here, and me with a big bow. Okay, I had to put my hair back, and it was messed up because I never comb my hair today because I'm not going anywhere. But if it looks like it's modified, it's because I tried to dye my base black, and then the back is just black.
I just tried dyeing underneath my hair blonde, but it was a kind of a fail, so I should redo that.
Shut the door.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have to tell you guys something that you guys really super duper need to check out. If you don't know that, I'm the world's biggest anime freak. You should ask any of my friends, all I talk about is animes, all I do is anime. It's just like, I watch anime 24/7 and stuff like that, so I'm making me a new anime account, so if you guys are anime with anime, yes, it's probably going to be like the 5th account that I have, but I only use 3. No, because the MS one.
We never use that one.
Yeah, so I'm in the 3rd, well, technically my 3rd YouTube account, but I do have one for Final Roses that you can figure out to look at. I'm playing with a bat that's broken because I hit my brother's head a lot. I'm joking. But seriously, I think you an anime account. There's not gonna be anime. I'm gonna do anime tutorials, anime cosplays, and I hope you guys can check it out. It's gonna get put up today. So yeah, and then there's gonna be a link in my other channels, whatever it's called, list. So I hope you guys really super duper check that out.
And also, a Kesha music video coming from us is coming out soon for We Are Who We Are. So I'll keep you guys updated that on my channel. And
yeah, and dude, you guys have to check out JAC Productions because they're so awesome. It's just so funny. And
okay, she's Asian obsessed. Like literally, she's like obsessed with Asians, and it's like
my reincarnation's Asian. So I'll see you guys later.
You wish. Bye.